Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video is going to be a self-love moment because my sister has gifted me a product that I have been eyeing for quite some time, and it is the Agaro hot hair brush. Let's talk about it. So when I say unboxing, the thing is I have already unboxed it, okay? Because I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait till I made the video and all of that. So I thought, okay, let me just go ahead and share with you after I have used it for myself and then do a live demo for you as well. So this was the box. I ordered this on Amazon and I think I got it within 2 to 3 hours. So I placed the order in the morning at around 10 a.m. and by 12:30 p.m. it was in my hand and I had to go for a party that evening. I was so happy that I received it on time. So now this is the box, and then there is also this thing that I got. Okay, now I don't have the patience again to open it and all that, but there's a warranty card and a user manual. So this is what it looks like, pretty sleek, not too bulky. I really feel it's super lightweight. So my first impression, I just love that it looks salon-ish, like, you know, it's as good as getting your hair done at the salon. So you just got to plug it in and switch it on. Like, there is no button here to adjust the heat, etc. So you're just gonna plug it in and start using, okay? Because I don't want to rip my hair off in the name of styling. That's like the last thing I want to do. So I want to check first if the bristles are soft. Like, people claim it is soft, but I don't know. Let's see, okay? So first thing I'm gonna do is just open my hair up. So this is the untamed part, okay? So the first thing I want to do is just set this part up. So see, the bristles are not super soft, but I really like that for my hair. Like, my hair is not very soft and straight, so it requires quite a few strokes. And what I like about this is that within no time that has happened. Okay, so I mean, reasonably straight and dry. Now let's just start doing up the entire hair.
So I have been trying out the Agaro Hot Air Brush for a few days now, and let me tell you the real deal. First of all, it does need quite a few strokes to actually get the smoothness I want. It's not a one pass miracle, especially if you have wavy or curly hair like mine. Also, I really wish it had an on off button on the brush itself, because reaching out to the plug every time is a bit annoying. And the handle is slightly bulky. I did not notice it at first, but after a few uses, I did feel it. But despite all of that, I actually really like it. I'm not into poker straight hair, and this gives me that quick volume plus smoothness look without much effort, and it makes my hair feel manageable, soft, and just done in a very real girl way. So, if you are like me and don't have the time or patience for a full blowout, this makes sense. It's ideal for wavy, slightly curly, or even straight hair.
Well, yeah, I think you should go ahead and buy it. And this advice is from somebody who's not some kind of a beauty and fashion expert. I'm just here to share my views, share my life experiences. So if you were my very, very good friend, I would say that give it a try. But for those who have very, very curly hair, I don't think this is a good option. Maybe just to dry your hair and manage it a bit, it's fine. Okay, yeah, that's about it. If you've used this, let me know what your experience was like. And I also need some tips for a heat protectant. If you know there is some sort of a spray or oil or serum that I can use before making use of this, please let me know in the comments below. It will be really helpful for me. Alright then, see you soon in my next video. Until then, always remember that self-compassion first and you are priority. Bye bye and lots of love.